assembly language programming, we look out logical instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. So this is our the complete instruction supports to perform all logical operations by using assembly language. So you already knows the register supported by 8051, a list of A, B, R0 to R7, and RAM address locations from 00 to 7F, and ROM locations from 000 to 0FFH, and 2 pointer registers as a R0 and R1. Now, so and general logical basic logical operations means you need to you already knows the basic logical gates are AND, OR, XOR, and NOT. So and your logical AND operation supports between what operands. Here we are going to discuss. So ANL A comma RR, which performs the logical operation between register value from any general purpose register. Like you can use here RR means you can use any general purpose registers like R0 to R7. So which performs logical AND. So what is logical AND here? Whenever both two inputs are 1, then output is 1. Otherwise, in all other cases, output is 0. After logical AND operation between A and RR, result will be saved in A. And these bytes, how many opcodes which will generate by this instruction. And this cycles is machine cycles, how many machine cycles it will take to execute the instruction. And ANL A comma ADD, so which will perform the logical AND operation between accumulator and address value. So whatever the existence value in that location, it will do logical AND operation with both two values, and it will save the result in accumulator. And ANL A comma at the rate of RP, so this instruction allows to do logical AND operation between accumulator and pointer register, which is representing address indirectly. So with that value, which will do the logical AND operation and saves the result in A. And here one more syntax which will allows directly logical AND operation with constant value, which here #n means direct 8-bit value. So these are the possible syntaxes you can use to perform your logical AND operation. So in logical operations, accumulator will play the major role. So here A means accumulator. So these are the possible syntaxes to perform your logical AND operation. And ANL ADD comma A. So here your logical AND operation between address and A, and result will be saved in address. So that is ADD here. ADD means here address location, that to RAM memory address 00 to 7FH. And ANL address comma #n, which allows direct 8-bit value, constant 8-bit value with address location value. And clear A, CLR A, which is going to clear accumulator value, which will make it any value present in that accumulator, it will make it 0. And CPL A, so this you can use as a NOT gate, so it will make it 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. This is CPL. And this O or L, A comma RR, which means OR logic operation between A and RR. So A comma RR means it will perform accumulator value with general purpose register R0 to R7. So in between these two values, which performs OR logic. So OR truth table is like both any one of the input is 1, then output is 1. So like so both inputs are zeros, then only your output is 0. In all other cases, OR logic output is 1. And this again, which also supports the syntaxes between a and rr, a and address location value, means the value present in that address, and overall a comma at the rate of rp, which means the pointer which is representing indirectly one address. So that value and accumulator value both will perform OR logic, and result saved in a. And you can do or logical operation between a and constant value, 8-bit constant value directly, and result is saved with a. And next, XOR operation. So this XOR a comma r, this is XOR logic. So both inputs are same. XOR logic truth table is, if both inputs are same, output is 0. Then in all other cases, output is 1. So means both inputs are same, means both are zeros, output is 0. Both are ones also, output is 0. Okay. Then your XOR operation between a and rr, XOR logic between a and address, XOR operation a and pointer register indirectly which is representing, and XOR operation a with constant value, 8-bit constant value, and result saved with a. This is your XOR operation. XOR address comma a, XOR address comma hash n. So these are the two syntaxes you can use with address. NOP. NOP stands for no operation. So just your address incremented by 1, that to ROM location address which increments by 1 if you are using this NOP instruction. Then what about RLA? This RLA means rotate left accumulator. So in this case, 8 bits present in that accumulator, so which are shifted to left once, means so D7 will become the D0 of your given number. In the case of rotate left operation, the MSB position, the most significant position, will move to least significant position, and each bit shifted once to the left side. So that is your rotate left operation. And now in the case of rotate left RLCA, here RLCA means rotate left through carry. So you are not attempting directly rotate left operation on accumulator, you are going to attempt rotate left operation through carry, means the most significant position will move to carry, and whatever the carry logic which maintaining previously, that logic which is moved to D0 position. So here D0 is LSB and D7 is MSB. So D7 logic which is moved to carry, and carry logic which is forwarded to D0. This is through carry. So in the case of RLA instruction, your D7 will directly comes to D0 position, whereas in RLCA, so D7 will move to carry status, and carry is moved forwarded to D0 position. This is the simple difference with RLA and RLCA. So this is rotate left accumulator and rotate left through carry accumulator. So, and this rotate left operation which will works, we can use in different cases. The same thing you can apply with RR. So here in the RR case, your D0 will become D7 of your given number. So D0 position is moves to D7 position in the case of rotate right, and rotate right through carry means your D0 position will move to carry, and carry logic which is forwarded to D7 position. And your rotate operations you have to do with only accumulator operand. Don't use other operands for your rotate operations. So rotate operation works with only accumulator. And what about swap instruction? This swap instruction which works like which will make it the image of your given number. Image means, so make it LSBs as MSBs and MSB bits as LSBs. This is the simple logical instruction set supported by 8051, to implement our logic gates, and, or, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift. So these are the possible logical instructions you have to use for your programming in assembly language of